As you can see, I'm doing the sauce, Italian sauce that goes on top of the Parmigiana, and basically you've got the onions and the garlic in there, and give it a stir and keep stirring it. I've added 2 cans of diced tomatoes to the sauce. Now remember to keep on stirring it and stirring it. Now I've got a couple of breasted chicken pieces that I'm going to cut in half, which is butterflied and ready to be made in Parmigianas. Putting a plastic bag on top and pounding them gently to flatten them just a little bit to make them more tender. I prepared some egg wash, some flour and some breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs from Aldi's. Great stuff. I now dip them into the flour, the egg wash and then the breadcrumbs, and then we will place them into the baking dish ready to be fried in olive oil. Remember, it's a little bit messy on the hands. And this is Panko breadcrumbs, great stuff. Use it for your next Parmigianas. Placing a thick iron cast frying pan with some olive oil. We actually heat the olive oil up to a good temperature and place the chicken pieces into the frying pan. Now we fry them to they're nice and golden brown, and then we toss them around to the other side and do the same. I also use a lid that goes on top to fast forward and speed up the cooking process. Remember, check a few times to see how far it's cooked underneath until it's golden brown. Now we'll just relax and wait just a little bit and wait for it to cook. I washed the cast iron frying pan and placed the breasted chicken inside, and now I'm going to be garnishing it with the lovely sauce, and then we'll be following with the cheese and all sorts of stuff. I'm grating some old age cheddar cheese to be placed on the parmas. Now I place the cheese on the parma on top of the sauce. Be nice and generous with the cheese amount. Cutting up some parsley for garnishing for a bit later on. Now the Parmigianas are ready to place in the oven in the actual cast iron dish. We bake them for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and nice and golden. We place the oven temperature about 180 degrees. This is the results we get now from looking through the oven. Beautiful and golden. Look at that cheese. While the Parmigianas are now in the oven, I have the privilege of making a nice garden salad to go with the parmas. Also, while the parmas are in the oven, I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. Great style mashed potatoes. The idea is to make mashed potatoes is the butter is the key figure, and use only pure butter. Now we go into the oven and take out the Parmigianas and take them to our bench ready for serving. They look beautiful. Look at them golden, cheesy Parmigianas. I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese on top. Don't put too much Parmesan because cheese, remember, is salty. I'm going to garnish it now with some parsley. Now the Parmigianas are ready and it's time to dish them up on the dishing plates. Now it's time to dish up the mashed potatoes to the dish. Be generous because they will ask for more. Now it's time to put the salad on the side of the plate. Also can be generous. And voila, the Parmigiana is now ready. Look at this dish, how beautiful it is, nice and golden, cheese is nice and melted, salad and nice on homemade mashed potatoes. Yummy. Enjoy everybody. Well, that's as good as you can get to a Parmigiana, Italian style. Welcome you to try it at home and let me know what you think of it. Until then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Eat plenty, drink, legal limits. Until then, Chef Sam, talk to you later.